Hey, I'm Paul Kraft. I'm a head wrestling coach here at Lower Botetourt High School and a school counselor here at LB. And so this event today is our wrestling program is coupled with Star City Jeepers. So we're having this big Jeep show and swap meet. So we got music, we got vendors, we got food, we got all kinds of stuff. And so all the money that we get raised can help go to our wrestling program and help funding for our overnight stays and different tournaments and tournament entry fees, anything the kids need with gear, with food, all of that stuff. So this is we're very blessed to be linked up with Star City Jeepers, and we would love to make this an annual event. And Mike King with Star City Jeepers did a great job of organizing everything, and we're very grateful for all of that.
I don't know what they mean.
This is the special one, red, white, and blue.
Yeah.
Because it's a Navy. See, the U.S. Navy.
These things, so I had one of these from the only other Jeep show we've done, and I've been walking around, and every time I come by, there's more of them here. They gave me this one when I came in the gate, and then this one and this one appeared, and then this one, and then these others. And this one over here came from Jerry here, who's rolling out right now, who's gonna run over. Oh, he missed his monster can by an inch. But I don't know what the deal is with these. I notice Jeep people have them just loaded up, their dashboards are just covered with these things. But I now have 7 of them. So I have one from Dove. I have 7 of these ducks, just unsolicited. So I don't know the Jeep duck thing. If you guys know what's up with the Jeep ducks, let me know. It's kind of cool, but I don't know anything about it.
Hey everybody, how you doing? We're finishing up. We were at the Star City Jeepers today. We've had a great time. What do you think?
It was really good. I enjoyed the footage that we got from here, and also the people were really nice to us. So yeah, that was a really beautiful moment.
Great time. Thank you. We had a good time, folks.
Yep.